Come on. Look how clean your house, baby. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Choo, choo, choo. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Hey. Yeah. This way. Come on, get this. Hey, guys. Hi, 4 million viewers. Hi, say happy Halloween to your fans. Happy Halloween, everybody. Come on, you be there. In your place. He likes to get here. Come on. Look how clean your rug, baby. Good job, Mama and Dad maintaining, cleaning the house, huh? So you guys got a good life too, huh? Not yucky house, huh? Come on. Yes. It's very important, guys, if you got pet, you know, to have a clean at least twice a week, or no matter how busy you are, because that's really part of family. Otherwise, all this yucky thing on them, it goes in the skin, you know. Have to be vacuum and clean up the floor as well. And if you got rugs, I give you tips. You have to wash these rugs twice a week as well, with a really good weather. See, because no matter what, they're losing the hook, you know. But you have to give him shower too. In the summertime, you give him shower twice a week, you know. Depends how dirty they are. But in the winter time, you give him once a week shower. So they feel fresh all the time, huh, babe? Huh, my love? Our love, Yeah. You really like these toys, and you? Really like these toys, and you? Okay, guys, mag-out na po tayo. Mag-out na tayo. Say hello. Bye-bye, shout out sa lahat. Shout out everybody. Thanks for watching Mom and Dad channel. And bless you guys. I'm watching you too. Bless you everybody. Stay safe and happy Halloween. Wow. 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 Look at guys. Hey baby. Hey my alpha boy. Mag-out na tayo. Yeah. We have to wash these toys again today, tomorrow. Look how cute your eyes, baby. Look how cute your eyes, baby. I love your hair, very shiny. Oh yeah, oh yeah. They're very close to Mommy and Dad, aren't you, boy? Our little baby boy, my alpha boy. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You like the aren't you, boy? Very shiny. Ow. Ow. Here. Come on. Ready? Here. Look at that. What did you do with these toys now, huh? Since you were young last year, baby. It's so brand new. We gifted it to him. Look at that now. Sipat na mata. Come on, get me. Come get me. Come get me. Come get me. Uh-oh. Okay, you can have it. Yeah, bub, you can have it. Squeezy toy. Squeezy toy. Squeezy, squeezy, squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeezy toy.